Yo man, what you looking at?
Just appreciating the brain.
Noise. Well, here are a few important things you can do to, enhance your brain. Whoa, not the headstand this time.
Oh.
Heal your gut. Your gut and your brain are highly connected. Around 90% of the serotonin molecules are actually made in your gut. If your gut is off balance, it can definitely affect your brain too. Many mood disorders actually originate in the gut. Did you know that? So try cleaning your gut. Next, make sure that you're getting all the essential amino acids. By essential, I mean these are the kind of amino acids your body cannot make. You gotta get it from the diet. Foods like eggs, salmon, organic meat, nuts, spirulina, and so forth are full of aminos. Having low levels of essential amino acids can disrupt healthy neurotransmitter production. So make sure you're getting enough of the aminos. And finally, get your daily dose of B vitamins. Especially vitamins B6, 12 and 9 are very important. So some of the foods that provide such B vitamins include broccoli, spinach, beetroot, organ meat, and so forth. Now, vitamin B12 is harder to get for vegetarians and vegans. So if you're a vegetarian or a vegan, try supplementing with vitamin B12 too. Share this video with somebody that could really use some brain boosting hacks.